Ermine stitch is an elegant decorative stitch and very simple to work. Begin with a vertical straight stitch. This is the centre of your first stitch. Then bring your needle up to the left of the central stitch and a little lower down from where you started. Cross the thread over the centre stitch and bring the needle down on the right hand side, slightly higher than the finishing point for the centre stitch. Repeat this stitch on the opposite side, crossing the thread over the centre from right to left to complete your first ermine stitch. You can see that the top of the crossed stitches begin wide of the central stitch, but finish up sitting more closely to it, creating a fleur-de-lis effect. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.